How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super slick 1965 Plymouth Belvedere. It's had a complete rotisserie restoration. This car is as nice on the top, bottom, inside out. It's super nice. Gentleman redid the car, come out of the West. It's the original grille, all real nice condition. Headlight bezels look like new. Bumpers have all been re-chromed. It's done in Tuxedo Black, and it is slicked, flat, straight down the sides. Had a strong 440 built for it. It's got a 727 trans. Got 8 3/4 posi rear with the 355 gear. Super slick car, guys. Really hard to find one of these cars this nice. So all the taillight bezels, everything been all re-chromed, the rear bumper. It is the original deck lid trim. Does have a little area there that's got a ding in it. But you can just see how slick the paint is on this car. It's a show quality car. He actually built this car for his wife. They cruised it a little bit and enjoyed it, did some shows. And as things go, the car ended up setting a year and they weren't using it. Again, it's 440, it's got aluminum radiator, it's got power steering, nice Durashine intake, got a set of Doug's ceramic coated long tube headers, full Flowmaster exhaust out the back. He had the whole interior custom done. Very nice. Seats are all done in leather. You had the dash all re-chromed, all the dash trim. Headliner's real nice and tight. Tell you, I really like the interior in this car. The seats are probably the most comfortable seats I've sat in a long time. He did the center console in it. Tell you, all the chrome, all the trim around the headliner, he had all redone. Very nicely done car. Got your car cover, come with the duster and everything. Got a bunch of the paperwork on the restoration, motor and everything. I tell you, the seat's very comfortable. Very nice interior in the car. Probably one of the nicest interiors I've seen in one of these. Dash. Does have the original radio. It does work, but he did put an AM/FM CD there underneath the dash. Super nice car. Got the vintage Cragar SS's on it. Thing fires up at 9 pounds per ounce. You have to kind of bear with us. It's pretty cold out. I think it's about 21 degrees right now. Weather hasn't been exactly the greatest. fortunate to have no snow today. Backup lights and everything work on the car. So it's just a super, super nice car. It's hard to find these cars this nice. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com, or you can visit us at 8180 South State Road in Goodrich, Michigan. Have a great day, folks.